Hello, everyone. Welcome to your flight today. We hope you enjoy flying with us. Let's go ahead and see who's on board. Oh no! Is it String Cheese Man? He's on this plane! We're all gonna die!
Yes, it is I, String Cheese Man. What's the big deal about a String Cheese Man? He's just made out of cheese. What could he possibly do?
Oh no! Clearly you haven't heard of the cheese grater!
Allow me to demonstrate. Come in. So what? He can use a cheese grater to kill you? He will not be able to catch me. He's just a stupid cheese man. I hear your argument. However, I would like to inform you that I do have a motorized version. Hello, pilots? This is one of the passengers on board. Can you please let me in? There's quite a mess up here. I really don't want to be in all of this mess. Can you just let me on into the front?
No, I can't do that! You're String Cheese Man!
No, of course not. I'm not String Cheese Man. I'm your cousin Smithy. Listen, my voice is even different than String Cheese Man. You can go on and let me in the front now.
Alright! If you insist, you can come on up!